In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and copy the full HTML from your marketing email in Hubspot. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to fine-tune your email campaigns or keep a backup of your email templates. So let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you're going to need to head over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your favorite browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once there, you'll see the familiar landing page of HubSpot, a powerful software and tools solution for businesses. Now, to access your marketing emails, you'll need to log in. In the top right corner, there's a login button. Click on it and enter your email address and password. If you happen to use a password manager, this can save you some time here. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. Next, from the HubSpot home, look for the marketing section in the main dashboard. Go ahead and click marketing. This will open up a variety of options for you related to your marketing efforts. Within the marketing section, you will see a tab labeled email. Clicking on this will lead you to a list of your emails, both drafted and sent, where you manage your email campaigns. Now that you're in the right place, you'll want to locate the specific email you wish to view in HTML. Hover over the email you want to work with. You'll see options appear. Among them, there will be a button labeled Actions. Click on Actions to proceed further. Once you click on Actions, look for and select View Email. This view should provide you with the entire email as it would appear to recipients, but we're going one step further to get the full HTML code. With your email in view, you'll next want to highlight all the email content. This can be done quickly by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard or clicking and dragging over the email. Once highlighted, it's time to access the page source. At this stage, you'll need to right-click anywhere within the highlighted section. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select View Page Source. This will open a new tab in your browser with the HTML code for your email. And there you have it, the complete HTML of your marketing email is now viewable in its entirety. You can copy this code and use it as needed. Keep in mind it's always good to be careful when editing HTML, as changes can affect how your emails appear. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel more confident in navigating HubSpot to access your email's HTML. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy emailing!